The other day I ordered a mask from the Kawaii Goods Etsy store and I did not expect to receive this. I also certainly didn't expect to receive this. So now I've got two big ass packages that I need to unbox. Thank you very much, Claudia from Kawaii Goods, but girl, you didn't have to do this. In order for me to open all of this, I need to do this on the floor. So let's do it. Hi guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I am here on the floor because we're gonna have a lot of things to get through today. So initially, when she was like, girl, I want to send you some things, I was like, girl, no. And she was like, girl, I'm sending you some stuff. So I was like, okay. But I wasn't expecting anything to like the size of this. So I thought to myself, okay, so I can do a really cool lookbook with your items, but I thought rather than, especially when the second package arrived, I thought, okay, rather than me try to like style everything all in one video, I kind of need to see what's here and then see what I have already that is already Kawaii Goods. Allow me. Check out this beautiful rainbow dress. Isn't it adorable? Isn't it so dreamy? Also, check out these absolutely stunning leggings. They're blue on one side and this is so ungraceful, pink on the other side. That was terrible. Also, check out this adorable little bow here in the middle of my big bow. Isn't it so cute? It's all from Kawaii Goods. Yes. Anyway, so I'm now thinking, let me just unbox everything. And then in a future video, then I'll be able to properly style them rather than me rushing it. So, I'm so excited. I actually can't wait to just get my mask because the mask actually matches this dress. So, but I'm very excited to see what else is going to be inside of the bag. Okay, I literally feel like a kid in a candy store. I'm just popping open the bag now. I'm gonna just put my hand in and take stuff out. I'm feeling some bits of paper here. What are these? This is Dear Cutie, thank you. XOXO Claude, you're more than welcome. Oh, this is adorable. How cute is that? Is that your new business card? That's so cute. I like it. That's adorable. It's a little like ghost alpaca. How cute is that? It is spoopy season after all. I'm actually really getting into it. Okay, so, oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to crack open the bag some more. I'm so nervous because I don't know what to expect. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I don't want to look. I don't want to look until like the very last moment. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So. Oh my god. It's Marina. Okay. So if you already know me in Animal Crossing, right? You know that I love Animal Crossing already. But Marina is my favorite character. And she drew Marina and put her on a bag. Oh my life. Oh my god. That is epic. That is epic. Oh my god. Oh my days. Okay, okay, here we go. Here we So we have some creepy cute sushi. Oh my days. How adorable is this? Well, hang on, I said creepy cute. It's not that creepy. It's just because it's in like purple and orange, why automatically I assume that it's creepy cute. But there's just adorable little sushi bears. Oh my god. And I need more purple things because, you know, people are starting to question whether or not my favorite color actually is purple because I have hardly any purple things in the house. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, what's in the bag? Ah! These are awesome. Okay, we need to do like a whole Halloween movement with this. Oh my goodness. I mean, I will try my best to get this out by Halloween, but I can't promise because, girl, I have a lot of videos to do. So I can't promise that my lookbook will be before Halloween because, hang on a minute. Of course it won't be before Halloween. What's the date today? 27th, I think, today. Halloween is in 4 days. I am so behind with time. It's unbelievable. Like, I often don't know what day it is. I often don't know. But given that Halloween is 4 days away, I won't be able to do a lookbook in that time because I'm already in the middle of filming another one. But there will be one coming soon featuring these. Absolutely. Because I'm into the whole, like, pastel goth aesthetic. So, I mean, for goths, it's Halloween all year round, right? So, these are so cute. And they're very nice and long as well, which is great because I got some long ass legs. So this is good. Thank you so, so much. Oh my God. I still can't get over this bag. Like, I can't get over this bag. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so, so this is the mask that I got. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It matches my dress. How cute is this? How cute! Oh my gosh. It's like, I almost don't want to put it on because, like, obviously my makeup gets all over everything. So, like, I'm constantly washing these things. But look at that. This is adorable. Thank you. Pardon me, you've given me hiccups. Thank you so, so much. Oh my God. Ah, I got another one as well. Oh my gosh. This is one clearly for my more pastel goth vibes. Oh, girl. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I remember seeing this on the website and thinking, man, if I could afford it, I would buy the two of them. Oh my God. She looks a little bit like me. I mean, a little bit on the light side, but it looks a little bit like me. Oh my God. Oh, this is epic. Okay. I was just about to say apologies for my screaming. I'm not going to apologize, like, because, like, this is just how I am and I get very, very excited. But I have every reason to right now because I've just been given, like, a plethora of goodies that I did not ask for and that I did not expect. So I'm just like, what? If this is what I think it is, I'm going to scream the house down. If this is... Okay, so Claudia knows, she knows how much I adore this design that she did. I absolutely love this. I absolutely love, it's actually my favorite thing that she's made. Can you guys see that? KTV, Kawaii television. Look. Oh my God. And it's massive. This is what I like. I love it when my sweatshirts are big and oversized. Oh my Lord. I've been banging on about this design for so, so long. I love this so, so much. It's just so, like, nostalgic of the old school MTV logo. So, like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. Thank you so much. This is insane. Like, this is actually insane. Oh my God. Oh, I can't wait to do a lookbook with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so glad that I'm actually opening this all up now because that's going to give me plenty of time to properly think about how I'm going to do this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. What else is in this bag? Oh my God. What is this? What? I wanted this as well. I don't know whether you even knew that, but I was looking at one of your recent posts and I think it was either you or it might have been Anna actually. I think it was Anna. And she was wearing this jumper. And I was like, man, I would love that for my pastel goth vibes. Look! It feels like it's my birthday. It feels like it's Christmas. I'm speechless. Like, I can't. How cute is this? Has it got it on the arms as well? Look, it's even got bones on the arms. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh my god, I can't wait to try all this stuff on. Oh my god. Okay. I think that's it for what's inside of the big Marina bag. This is perfection. How cute is she? And she's even got the little like dreamy sweater on. I'm still waiting for her to give it to me, actually. Me and Marina are supposed to be like best friends in this game, and she still hasn't given me this sweater yet. I'm still waiting. I need to just take a minute. I need to take a minute. Okay. I was not expecting all this. I ordered a mask, Claudia. I ordered one mask. And she's just like, here. Thank you so much. You know that I'm going to put out a huge video with these, don't you? You know it. Oh my god. By the way, guys, I will of course be leaving a link in the description box below to Kawaii Goods because like Claudia, she's one of my favorite people. So like I love to support her. So I will definitely leave her link there for you so you can go ahead and check her out at your leisure. Now, let's open up the second package and see what kind of vibe that we are getting. What is that? Oh my god. Look at these joggers. And they're nice and big. I'm hoping that they'll fit me because, girl, I got some big thighs, you know. I got some chunky ass thighs. Like, I have to put like drawstrings in your leggings usually because, you know, I got thighs and I got booty. So like, but these look so cool. Oh my goodness.
I'm in recording.
Riley, can you give me a minute, darling? I'm nearly finished. Okay?
Okay.
I seriously can't get over this. Like, I'm hoping and praying that these fit. They should fit. They should. They might fit me a little bit like leggings because, as I said, I've got some chunky thighs, but they're so cute. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. And then we have one more thing here as well. We have a matching, got a matching mask as well. Oh my goodness, look at this. How cute is this design? Okay. So, let me just double check that's everything. Okay. Thoughts. What are your favorite items? Because I don't think I could pick one, okay? I don't think I could pick one. Like, I love absolutely everything. Everything here, I love it. And I cannot wait to style these properly. But I'm gonna need some time to properly think about exactly how I'm gonna do it. But this is fabulous. I think if I had to choose, obviously my heart goes to this because I have wanted this since the very first day that you dropped it. I mean, come on. KTV, Kawaii Television. Ah! This is just, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. And the bag, that for me is just the icing on the cake. Honestly, I am so made up. Like, I just can't believe that I've gotten so many things. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I will do my very best to just give you an incredible lookbook video using all of these. It's going to be so much fun to film. Thank you. I'll give you a very quick recap of the things that we got so that you can then let me know in the comment section below which items were your favorites. Now we have the Marina bag. Amazing. We have these super cool Pastel Goth jogging bottoms. Amazing. We have a matching mask to go with it. Amazing. We have this super cute Pastel Goth looking girl on a mask as well. Incredible. We also have this skeleton jumper, which is just so cool. I love it so much. Oh my god. I can't wait to do these. I cannot wait. Okay, we have, oh my goodness, I can't even talk properly. We have the very nice and stretchy ghost llama and bat leggings. Adorable. And we have, so cute, the cute little sushi bears. Oh my god. How cute are these? Adorable. Oh my god. And then of course we have what I actually bought. The mask that matches this beautiful dress. Oh my god. I can't wait to wear this out now. I can't wait. I just need the weather to hurry up and get better because the weather is shocking. So like even just going out for a walk, it's like, no, not in this weather. But the pièce de résistance is this. Kawaii television. What? So let me know. Oh my god, I need a drink. Let me know, not that kind of drink. Let me know what your favorite item or items were from this video. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. As you can tell, I'm very happy. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.